Hello there. We're back. Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we've got the greatest movie of all time. It's got action. It's got romance.
I know.
It's got the greatest twist ever put in a movie.
No!
That's right. We're doing Empire Snacks Back and Mai Tai Fighters. As we always do, let's start with the cocktail. We're gonna do a Mai Tai Fighter today. We're gonna start off with a handful of ice into your shaker. You're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of white rum. You're gonna go with 3/4 of an ounce of orange Curacao. You're gonna go with 1/2 ounce of Orgeat. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then I'm gonna add just 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, just to give it a little bit more sweetness. And then you're gonna lock it in and give it a fun shake. And with this, what you're gonna wanna do is just do an open pour.
All too easy.
And then you're gonna grab a bar spoon and you're just gonna put 1/2 ounce of dark rum floated on the top. And this is just gonna give it a nice little leveled effect and some fun color. And then you're just gonna garnish it with a lime wheel.
Impressive. Most impressive.
Now that we've got our cocktail done, we're gonna start on the meatballs. What we're gonna do is we've got 1 pound of ground sausage, 1 pound of ground beef. We've got our ground sausage and ground beef in here. We're gonna add 5 cloves minced garlic, 1 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs, 2/3 a cup of fresh chopped parsley. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 4 tablespoons of butter. That's basically just to get all those breadcrumbs to stick to your sausage and ground beef. And then for a little bit of heat, we're gonna add just 1/3 of a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Now you're gonna get in here with your hands and get this all super incorporated. Now we've got all of our meatballs portioned out in about 4-ounce balls. We're gonna go ahead and just lightly salt these and then hit them with a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And then we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. And we're about on medium heat because we don't want these to burn. You just want them to slightly get brown on all sides.
No disintegrations.
As you wish.
We're gonna keep rolling these meatballs in here. And you about want this color on there. Just a nice light brown, a little bit of a sear, but nothing too major. As we're browning up all of our meatballs, we've got some King's Hawaiian rolls here that we're gonna toss in the oven at 350 just to toast. We allowed our King's Hawaiian rolls to toast up just a little bit, and then we add some sliced provolone on there. And the reason we're using sliced is because it has a lower moisture content and we don't want our buns to get soggy. We're gonna toss them back in the oven, but we're gonna put them under the broiler for about 3 minutes until we get this cheese melted. Our meatballs are looking great. We've got some good color on them without them being too brown or too seared. And so we're gonna toss these onto all of our little buns here. And as we're doing this, we're gonna add a little bit of fresh cut mozzarella to them.
I love you.
While our cheese is melting on top of our meatballs in the oven, we've got a little bit of tomato sauce in our saute pan. And the reason that we're heating it up on top of the saute pan is because we don't want it to get a thick, jammy consistency on top of the meatballs in the oven. We've got our meatball sliders done. We've got our Mai Tai Fighter done. And now you're ready for family dinner.
We would be honored if you would join us.
Want to make this the easiest family dinner you've ever hosted? Well, now with Easy Bins, it is. Easy Bins is a convenient and easy way for you to get all your groceries delivered straight to your door. They've got this recipe and hundreds more on their website. And use the code Griffith5 at checkout in order to get $5 off your next Easy Bins order. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. We've got all of our meatball sliders done. We've got our Mai Tai fighter done. And now you're ready for family dinner.